My name is Cher Wallentine. I am an owner and Chief Operating Officer at Salt Hydration and Wellness. We have registered nurses come to you in your house to deliver wellness. So that includes IV vitamins, hydration, weight loss plans and supplements. We could do in-home lab draws. We do aesthetic treatments. People call us unique because they say, it feels special to have a nurse in your home.
Mangomint eases our process as a nationwide mobile business because of the very fact that we can have multiple locations in one account. We can have all of our nurses in one place, while at the same time, we're still able to customize to the unique needs of each location. We can toggle services on and off depending on if that location offers it or not.
We work with offered some features. However, they did not offer the array, and the features that they were trying to offer were a huge nightmare to try and figure out. But we also had to use 5 other apps. So we had like an app for our intake and health and consent, and then we had an app for communications. Only did like appointment scheduling, but then we had to have a payment processor app. It was so complicated. There's got to be a better way. Mangomint had everything that we needed. And when I presented it to my team, it was a no-brainer. They were like, absolutely 100%. We're a growing business and we were growing rapidly, but Mangomint has kept up with us seamlessly. It's been awesome. Everything really is in one place. It's on the timeline. When it's integrated into the appointment and you can see the health intake form and you can see the consent form that they signed on the client timeline, that changed everything for us. Mind blown.
The forms have been instrumental. It's really nice to be able to have those health history and consent forms automatically sent and filled out. It makes it smoother on the client's end instead of having multiple different links and processes on their side as well.
Our back-end compliance and charting that our nurses do for each appointment, you stick it right on their timeline. When you look at a really beefed up hospital EMR system, it is the way to do that outside of a huge hospital system, because you're putting everything we call it on the patient's chart, which is the patient timeline, but you need everything in one spot. Another huge thing with forms, when people want their labs taken, they can upload their own labs through a form. And that was cool too. It's like, how does the patient get their labs on our platform if they've gotten them somewhere else? We did instill a membership. Having a membership program automatically increases the value of your company, because what people look at when they look at how much is your company worth, or are you guys even, like serious, is recurring revenue. I know that Mangomint isn't only for like med spas. I know that it's for like hair salons and so many other businesses. Well, I can take it and I can make it look like it was just meant for a med spa. I can't stress enough of how much it saves us time, effort, money to have everything in one place.